Hey, I'm Melissa Kerner, founder of Healthy Body, Healthy Life. So I'm going to be starting my next comprehensive detox in just a few weeks. And this is something that I do 2 to 3 times a year. And today I want to share with you one of my favorite smoothie recipes that I eat for breakfast and lunch during the detox. Now, if you're wondering what a detox is all about, what the benefits are, why it's necessary, where to start, and how to do it in a way that's healthy for you, I have a free detox masterclass where I'll be answering all of these questions. And if you're a detox skeptic, like I used to be, I'll be teaching you all about the 6 major reasons why doing a dedicated detox is an absolute necessity to be healthy and thrive in the toxic world we currently live in, even if you eat a healthy diet. And you'll also learn about how a comprehensive dedicated detox is the most effective tool to help you achieve lasting weight loss, gain energy, eliminate inflammatory aches and pains, heal your digestion, clear your brain fog, and feel less stressed and more emotionally balanced. Here's a quick summary of what you'll discover in this free detox masterclass. The 9 telltale signs your body is screaming for a detox, why detoxing isn't optional in the toxic world we live in, how detoxing permanently eliminates toxic body fat and changes your weight set point, the 7 key foods that help you detoxify and 11 foods that make you toxic, and a simple 4-step holistic plan to detoxify naturally. This free detox masterclass is coming next week, and I'll be announcing it via email. So make sure you go to healthybodyhealthylife.com/detox to sign up for my free detox masterclass so you can get my email notifications. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions people have about doing a detox is that they have to do some extreme liquid master cleanse where you eliminate food entirely and only drink tea and lemonade for a period of time. My comprehensive detox is not that kind of program. With my plan, you're actually eating nutritious, wholesome foods that not only help you detoxify your body, but are delicious and satisfying, so you're never hungry. And smoothies are a great way to pack a lot of nutrition in one meal. They're an easy and sustainable way to get in those much needed leafy greens on a daily basis. So here's what you'll need to make my favorite go-to delicious detox smoothie. You'll need 8 to 10 ounces of hemp milk, flax milk, or coconut milk. Now make sure they're sugar and carrageenan free. On my dedicated detox, you avoid all sugars, and carrageenan is a food additive found in most nut and seed milks that, according to some scientists, has possible side effects that include inflammation, bloating, irritable bowel syndrome, food allergies, and colon cancer. So I personally avoid it. You'll also need 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, hemp seeds, or chia seeds, or a mix of all 3, which is what I have here. These seeds are great sources of healthy omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based proteins, antioxidants, minerals, and fiber. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of organic flaxseed oil. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil contains over 7,000 milligrams of the omega-3 fatty acid, alpha-linoleic acid, also known as ALA, which has been associated with benefits like reduced inflammation, improved heart health, and protection for the brain against aging. You'll need 1/4 to 1/2 of an organic avocado or 1/3 of a cup of organic sunflower seed butter. And you want to make sure there's no sugar added. Sugar is one of the food toxins you want to avoid during the detox. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, magnesium, potassium, and many nutrients. And they make your smoothie creamy, delicious, and filling. And if you choose to use sunflower butter, sunflower seed butter is made from sunflower seeds, which are a great source of healthy fats, protein, vitamin E, and magnesium. And there's 3 spices you'll add: turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. Now these spices are optional but highly recommended, and you can really put however much you want. Now turmeric helps in detoxifying your liver because of its active ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin stimulates the production of bile in your gallbladder that is needed to eliminate toxins as well as rejuvenate liver cells that break down harmful compounds. Ginger is a great source of sulfur, which is important when excreting toxic substances from your body during phase 2 of the detoxification process. This spicy root also helps in cleansing your system, digesting foods, and settling your stomach. Cinnamon can help reduce inflammation in the body. Cinnamon is also a good dietary fiber and an excellent source of manganese, calcium, iron, and vitamin K, all of which help in the detox process. You'll need 1/2 to 1.5 cups of fresh or frozen berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and or blackberries. Now, berries are the best fruit to eat because they're low in fructose or fruit sugar. They're also loaded with antioxidants, high in fiber, and rich in several vitamins and minerals. Berries give your smoothie a nice flavor and help balance out the fats and proteins. You'll need a large handful of leafy greens like spinach, kale, beet greens, lettuce, cilantro, parsley, chard, collard greens, etc. Dark leafy green vegetables offer many nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, folate, vitamin K, magnesium, calcium, iron, and potassium. Now, if you want to sweeten the smoothie, you can add 1 to 2 scoops of stevia. Stevia comes from the stevia plant, and it's a healthy alternative to sugar and other processed sweeteners. Research has shown that pure stevia does not contribute to calories in the diet and has no effect on blood sugar or insulin like sugar does. So it's a great alternative for people who are looking to lose weight and or have blood sugar issues. Stevia is 200 to 300 times sweeter than table sugar, so a little goes a long way. Now, stevia is totally optional. All right, so those are all the ingredients you need. Now let's make the smoothie. You're gonna start by adding the liquid to your high-powered blender first, then you're gonna add the remaining ingredients, and then you'll blend until you reach desired consistency. All right, I'm gonna add my flax milk first, and then I'm gonna add my flax oil, and then I'm gonna add my flax, chia, hemp seed mix. I'll add my spices, detox spices, and then I'll add my mixed berries, and then I'll add my 1/2 of an avocado. Then I'll add my fresh greens, and I'm gonna do a mix of chard, Swiss chard, and baby spinach. And then I'm gonna add just 2 scoops of stevia. All right, we got everything in there. Let's blend her up. All right, now let's give it a taste. Delicious. This detox smoothie recipe is easy, delicious, and really satisfying. It actually holds me over for a good 4 hours. I hope you like it. Now, before I go, I want to hear from you. I'd like to know what questions you have about doing a detox. Scroll down and tell me in the comment section below this video. And if you liked this video and you found it helpful, I would love it if you clicked the like button and shared it with your friends. And don't forget to sign up for my free detox masterclass that's coming out next week. I'll be announcing it via email, so make sure you go to healthybodyhealthylife.com/detox to sign up so you get my email notifications. All right, I'll see you next time. Cheers. Cheers.